Hello. Is this thing on? I'm guessing this is on. It's been so long since last time I have streamed. I am not sure if I have everything set up correctly. I actually set the stream for the first time and it didn't run. So I was trying to wait until it shows me live. But I guess it is showing me live right now. So yeah, this should be on. I'll just give it a moment, couple of minutes, 1 minute, maybe less, just to wait and see if this gets properly announced. Actually, I'm going to post something on Twitter, letting everyone know, everyone that follows me, that I have gone live. I hope I posted that correctly. Yes. A tweet has been sent. Hello, little boy. Cyrus. I can see you. Very nice. Okay. Ooh, I got something. The ripple effect has tweeted me live, so I guess this is official. I'm going to start the creation of a new custom dimension in Minecraft. I have my folders ready, and I am hoping I know how the new structure works. Let's see, I have my old. I'm going to put the music a little bit down so it doesn't obscure my voice so much. There we go. I hope that is fine. Alright, okay, I think I have everything ready. I'm going to start with the basics. I'm going to open my editor. I use this editor for working with files. I know it's not the best. It's not exactly for this situation, but I like to work with plain text as much as possible. So I'm just going to close any files that I have here. And I'm going to start creating the structure for the data pack. So I have these files here it's the data pack I have been working with. For the custom dimensions I created in the snapshot in, I guess, 20W29A. I created the first custom dimension. And now that 1.16.2 was released, there's a new format and a lot of changes. I actually have here. Maybe I should update this. I have here the latest data pack that was published by Slice Lime with the current format. I hope I can work with this. Alright, so I'm going to create a new folder for this data pack, and we're going to launch it and see how it looks like. So I'm going to create this data pack, winter custom for now. Here's the folder, and I'm going to put in there the necessary stuff for it to work. that's too low. There we go. So this file, the MC meta file, is just for the pack information. Yes, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm not going to worry much about that. Then we need to add the data folder. And inside the data folder, we need to add our namespaces. So apparently now the format has changed. Let's see. Okay. I'm just reading the information here. Dimension types. It used to be like this. Data, then Minecraft, and then dimension type, and world gen, and then biome. No, Minecraft, dimension, and then the namespace, and then the dimension. So I'm going to follow that. I'm going to create the namespace first, like this. And then I am going to create the structure that inside here, that is dimension, dimension type, world gen. Hello Jimbo, welcome. I am trying to create a new dimension with the new data pack format that was released in the latest 1.16 snapshot, and I'm hoping to succeed. Okay, so if I just make a dimension that is exactly like the overworld. Okay, let's put this mining world. Now I'm going to create one like the overworld here. And we're going to call it other overworld.json. I'm going to change the extension, and I'm going to put it here. It's an empty file right now. So I'm going to check the other files I have, and try to copy tests some caves, KB, biome stuff. I'm sure I have a file right here. The team. So I'm going to call this dimension is going to be the overworld. Type Minecraft overworld. Okay, this is just another test I was making. I'm looking for a file I have here with some settings. Test data Minecraft. Dimension. Okay, this is a dimension type. Continuous pretty KB. Oh man, I can't. Okay, I'm going to create one because I just cannot find it right now. I had it saved here somewhere, and I cannot find it. So I'm going to load Minecraft, and we're going to create one world. I'm going to switch instances, and I'm going to come to the saves. Oh, I had some here. Okay, I'm going to wait for the game to load. So for the structure, this is the one I had right now, and apparently it has some errors loading in the newest snapshot because of the changes. So at least I want that in the new format. I think we're going to have to do some debugging. Oh, stuff is happening. There we go. So I'm going to create a world. Create new world, new dimension test. It's going to be in creative. There we go. Well, that was weird. First time happens like that. It has to take its time. And there, oh, nice, right next to a village. Okay, everything is being generated, and we're out. There we go. That was easy. Created the world, we jumped in, and we're out. And now we are going to go there again. I'm going to edit and export the world generation settings. There we go. It exported a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to open the saves, and for the new dimension test, and we're going to check those here. These are the settings for the world we just created. I don't know how to make the text bigger, but I think that's readable. So the dimension, this one is type Minecraft overworld, and I have a generator, a biome source, and all of these things. You know what we could do? I want to play with this. Let's make a world. No, that doesn't have any sense. Okay, I'm going to make the dimension generator. I was going to say let's create a world that has the nether for the first dimension, but that's not the point right now. I'm going to create a custom dimension, not a custom world. So I'm going to paste this here, and I'm going to fix it because I'm all for tabs. I don't like spaces because you can't move with those. So I'm going to format everything with tabs as I think it should be. There we go. And I think that's correct. It's overworld. It's a generator. Biome source. Seed. Large biomes. Let's put that large biomes true. Just a small change there. And it has I would like this to be a random seed every time, but you have to specify a seed, otherwise the game crashes. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to set it like that. The type is biome vanilla layered. That means it's the vanilla biome generation. I think you can also change that in the new format. I want to explore that. And this is the seed again. I have experienced that putting a different seed here and there makes the world generate so weird. Let's see if we can test that right now. Settings is going to be the overworld, and type is Minecraft noise, the type of the generator type. So I'm going to save this. Then I would like to test if it works. We're going to put it on this same world, right? So our data pack, we are working with it here. Instead of making a zip out of this, Cyrus dimension, so you have a dimension. I'm going to copy the whole folder, see if that works, because that will allow us to work faster on this. So I'm going to go to the saves, I'm going to go to the new dimension test world we created, I'm going to go to data packs, and I'm going to paste all of that here. This should work. Now I'm going to pay attention to the logs. It's very important to pay attention to the logs, because every time you have errors, it shows in the logs. So I'm going to load this world and see what happens. Oh, there we go. It's reading it. Winter custom. It's loading the data pack. Okay, I know what I'm doing, so I'm going to click on that. It's loading. So this dimension is called other, winter custom colon other, no, Cyrus colon other overworld. So let's go to our dimension, which should have the same seed as this, but it's going to be large biomes instead. So let's fly around this overworld and see. There's a plains there. What biome is that? This biome is wooded hills. Interesting biome names they are using now. There's a plains, there's a roof forest, there's a wooded hills there. Interesting village generated on that part. And there's a birch forest, I guess, here. So let's go to the other dimension and see that. So execute in Cyrus overworld. It recognizes our dimension. That means the format we are using is correct. Execute in Cyrus other overworld. Run. Teleport me, which is the player, at the same coordinates I am here. So that should take just that. So let's go to other dimension. And this should be generating the other dimension, which is called other overworld. We're going to mess with more settings, right? Okay, we are in an ocean. Oh, we could have made something wrong, maybe? We just set it to large biomes, right? Let's see the logs, see if there's something interesting. Changing view distance, load with entity, join the game. Saving settings for the other overworld. There's no messages saying something that is an error here. So let's just move around. I can see a desert here. I think this is a beach, but because this is large biomes, the beach are larger. So Minecraft beach, yes. So this is the plains, which is going to be larger than the other one. Oh yes, it is very large, a very large plains biome. Are these rivers? Minecraft plains. This is okay. This is river, yeah, but it shows weird in the large biome setting. Oh, cool. This is a very large plains biome. I don't know if it would be a good idea to make a gameplay in one of these large biomes world. It takes forever to find new stuff here. But yes, okay, so this is working. Now let's try to mess with something else. This is the very basic part of the dimension creation. Hang on. Hang on. I'm just typing a little bit of Oh, you have arrived. Hello, Vanilla. I'm creating dimensions. I'm just taking care of an issue here. You didn't get a notification. Oh, bad Twitch, bad email, bad everything. But you're here. I just started moments ago. So I'm going to mess a little bit further with this. Let's create our type. We set this dimension to be type Minecraft overworld, right? So let's create our own type. Here in the dimension type, I'm going to copy the type I had for the other dimension I did before. So actually, let's copy the one that Slice Line posted just to see if there's any changes here. So I should be able to come here to the newest I have. Yeah, I think Twitch shows the live time down there somewhere. I'm sure I have seen that before. Yeah. So the dimension type overworld caves. Let's copy this one, overworld caves, and let's name it other overworld fun time. Just like that. And we're going to set the type here to Zyrus other overworld fun time. That should work. I'm sure that should work. So let's I am going to close this one and let's open this file here. And let's fix the spaces and add tabs, please. There we go, we have tabs. That's right. Has rate, yes. Logical hate, 256. I guess this was for portal stuff. I'm going to leave it like that. Infinite burn, Minecraft Infiniburn Overworld. I'm going to leave it there. We could make our own Infiniburn blocks, but I'm going to leave that for later. Ambient light. Ambient light is 0. That means when it's night, light goes to 0. So let's say that piglins safe, true. Piglins are going to be happy in here. Bed works, false. Bed is not going to work. Respawn anchor works, no. That means no beds, no respawn anchors. You won't be able to set your spawn on this world at all. That's interesting. Ultra warm. What would it happen if I put ultra warm to true? All water will be dry. I'm going to leave it false, just to be able to play with water. Natural, false. This world won't be natural. That means clocks and compasses are not going to work. Lodestone compasses should work. Shrunk, false. That means it's the same size as the overworld. Has skylight. This setting has been confusing for me. Let's set it to false. See if there's any interesting changes here. UHC mode has become more fun. Yes, indeed, it has. Has a ceiling. True. That means this world will have a bedrock ceiling. Let's set it to false. I don't want to mess with ceilings at the moment because world generation with the ceiling is a little bit weird. So I'm going to save both files. So how does this work now that I made changes? We have to go out. So we save and go out. There we go. So now we have to come to our directory here where the game is saved here. And we're going to come to the dimensions folder. And we're going to delete everything that is in there. It goes away. All we have generated has gone. So we're going to generate new land, but with the current settings we just changed. So we're going to go to the single player, and we're going to load this world, and it's going to warn us about the changes. Let's see the logs. Nothing in the logs. That means we have no errors. Are we going to proceed? I know what I'm doing. Let's go in. And I see void. Hello. There we go. My hand has risen. Stuff is loading. Alright. So what are the changes we made? We said piglins were safe. Okay, so the sun should be moving. Yes, the sun is setting. If we get a clock, the clock is going all the way around. It's like, no, it's not. Let's see the compass. Compass is pointing to somewhere. Is it? Okay, so the type is Cyrus Otherworld form time. Order Overworld. So natural is false. Shrunk is false. I'm wondering if this is doing something. Or maybe I didn't put it in the correct location. It didn't throw me any error here, right? It didn't. Dimensions. Okay, so let's see the data pack again, or maybe it didn't load correctly. Data, Zyrus, dimension type. Yes. Other overworld fun time. So let's put a piglin here just to see if the piglin is safe. Is the piglin safe? No, it is not. It's shaking. So let's reload. And maybe we need to... I'm going to restart this. Maybe we need to compress this. The data and the region. I'm going to remove this. I'll see if there's something else I need to check about this. Dimension test. The piglins scare you. And data. No, nothing about this. Okay, let's go in again and see if there's something else that could be messing with this. Type. Oh, okay. Maybe I'm not changing the correct one. I'm just going to close over everything. I think I know what it is. I am going to open the data packs here. So the dimension type is correct. This is the one I just changed. And here I'm going to go to dimensions and open this file. I think I had opened the other one. There we go. Yeah, it is totally messed up. So I will change this again. Here. Like that. And like that. Now it should be working. Let's check the logs. Let's load the world. See something on the logs. Nothing on the logs. Let's continue. And that should work now. Let's give it some time to the world, for the world to load. Okay, there we go. This looks much better. Look at my compass and look at my clock. They are all over the place. They are crazy. What is going on here? I don't know. And why are there so many creepers? Wow, this dimension is scary. Yeah. If I wasn't in creative. Oh man, there's so many creepers. Look at this. Let's spawn some piglins and see what I do. No shake. Okay, they are happy. They love this place, and yeah, it's very cool. And now I'm going. If it's piglin safe, that means it is hoglin safe, right? So if I put a hoglin here, will it go crazy killing everything? No. It also doesn't. It doesn't change to zoglin. No way, I'm not going to go survival. I'm almighty here, I'm the creator of the world. Not going survival. Okay, this is cool. Okay, stuff is working. Now let's try to go a little bit. Let's start playing with more stuff here. Let's make this world a permanent night. What is going on here? Oh, they're fighting. Oh, yes. Who's gonna win? Ooh, wow. That was interesting. Okay. Alright, let's make this a permanent night. How are we going to do that? Let's go to the type, to the world type. And let's open the data pack I made for the caves dimension. Here. And I'm going to put a fixed time of 15,000. That means it's going to be a permanent night. Here. There we go. It's going to be permanent night. Anything else I want to put here? Respawn anchor, bed works, natural trunk, ambient light. And let's also put an ambient light to an interesting value. Let's put the ambient light to -10 and see how that works. But something else we need to test here. We need to test is if the bed works, and we need to test if the respawn anchor works. I need glowstone. There we go. So let's put the bed down and activate it. Oh yes, that works as expected. Let's put the respawn anchor and let's try to activate it. Oh yes, nothing works. No bed, no respawn anchor, nothing to do here. We have to survive. Alright, we are going to go out of here. We're going to save these changes and we're going to come here again and delete our dimension. Delete. It's gone. And we're going to load it up again. Any error showing in the... Oh, there's an error here. Failed to... Okay, we have a problem with our JSON file. We are putting a comma where it shouldn't be a comma. Let's fix that and let's cancel. And now let's load it again. All fine. Yeah, defeat the enemies with beds and respawn anchors. And also defeat yourself. I know what I'm doing and let's proceed. Load it up. Ooh, okay, yes. That is the light. Light is negative 30 and it puts everything green. Everything looks as green as creepers. Wow. Hello. Okay, it's permanent night. The stars aren't moving. The moon is there. It's not gonna go any further. And we can't respawn. And stuff looks weird with the lighting. Because when you light stuff up, everything starts loading from the negative to the positive, like you can see here. I have a green screen filter. You can also go full screen to enjoy this, to enjoy the full green screen. I have torches here. Ooh. Why doesn't that change the light? Torches don't do anything. Glowstone does. It does weird stuff. Oh. I have been trying to make everything colors different than green, but so far I haven't been able. Okay, so we are slowly messing with stuff even further. Now let's try to play with biomes. Let's try to do that. Maybe it's going to be a little bit more complicated, but I haven't experienced it. I know the theory, but I haven't gone to the practice. So for that, first let's do some modifications here to our dimension. This is the one I had there. Okay, let's put a fixed time of 1000 so it's day, so we don't have a permanent night. This is to enjoy the place so we can see. Now let's reset the lighting to 0, and let's go to we're going to make a single biome world. No, this is a super flat, right? Okay, I'm going to check this one out. Yes, we're going to make this change. So we're going to go work with a single biome. So the generator is going to be biome source, seed, settings, type noise. Generator biome source. We're going to put one biome, and it's going to be fixed. Large biomes like this. Right now it has mountains. Let's put desert, just for the test. Biome desert, Minecraft desert, and it's going to be fixed. Then settings, overworld. You have the seed, and the type is going to be noise. So we should have a world that is all desert. Delete this again. Let's load it up. Everything fine. Wow. How long have it been live now? It's 5 p.m., 5:30 p.m. Okay, so this is interesting. Since the ambient light is 0 and the world is not natural, even though it's day, because the fixed time is 1000, the ambient light makes it so everything spawns down here, right? And everything is desert. What if I'm going to make another change? Ambient light, I'm going to put it to 0.2. I'm going to reload. And I'm going to go in again and see what is the change. I think mobs are going to be still spawning because the light is not high. Or not? Yes, mobs are going to be spawning still. Wow, so many mobs spawn here. And yes, even though there's enough light, it seems. Okay. So now let's start creating the biomes. See if I can pull this off. And I think that's going to be what I will be able to do right now because time flies. I don't know when I started streaming. Can I see? Okay, can't see that. So we're going to create a new folder. We're going to come to the data packs here. Data, Xyrus. We're going to create a new folder called world. Okay, we already have it. Let's delete that. Let's get out of here. And we are going to come here and add the biome folder. So we have a bunch of stuff to play with. Configure key, carver, structure, noise settings, processor list, template pool. That's a bunch of things we can use. So we're going to make a biome starting from the Badlands. Right? Because it's the first on the list. We're going to start from this. And we're going to call this biome Badlands. So these are better than the Badlands, right? Badlands. So we're going to configure our world to use that biome. Biome, Xyrus, Badlands. There we go. Now let's edit the Badlands to make them better and see how that would be. Oh my god, there's a bunch of spaces and stuff. I would like to automatically auto format these two tabs. The reason I don't like spaces is because moving is not just, yeah, just using tabs. You just can't go like this. It's much better, but when you have spaces, okay. So let's see. Dark oak forest with lukewarm water, oceans, and soul and valley like ravines in the oceans. Oh, I'm going to save that comment because I will try to get there. Copy this, paste it here, and we'll work towards this, but it's going to take us another stream maybe. Okay, so it has mineshaft, mesa, and stronghold and ruin portal. Mineshaft, mesa. So this is the start. The spawner, monsters, spider. Type zombies. Okay, these are the things that can spawn here. Zombie villager, skeleton, creeper. Let's make the double creepers can spawn here, just to have an idea of how bad these Badlands are going to be. Okay, keep spinning those thoughts. Those are cool. Slimes, Enderman, witch, bats, and there's no critters here. We're going to add critters. Water critters, ambient, spawn costs. The sky color. Okay, let's check something out. Let's play with the sky color. Surface builder. So there's a surface builder here, which it goes to Minecraft Badlands. Let's see, noise settings. Surface builder, Badlands. Let's check this one out. Top material. Ooh, okay, this is interesting. I want to check that. Okay. So let's also work with this. So in the world gen, we're going to create a folder named configure surface builder. And we're going to copy the Badlands here. And we're going to rename it to Badderlands Surface Builder. So the Surface Builder is going to be Cyrus Badderlands. And it's going to have caves, canyons, features. Oh, this is interesting. Carver's air. Features. Okay, let's remove the water lakes. Those are so annoying. I'm going to leave lava lakes, but I'm going to remove water lakes. Lava lakes are also annoying, but they make sense on the Badlands. Water lakes don't make sense on the Badlands. I don't know why they include them there. Sky, purple or lavender sky. Let's check that out. Monster rooms or dirt, gravel. Oh, the generators. These are interesting. Okay, let's try to go step by step. There's so many things I want to do right now, but let's try to go step by step. First, I'm going to go for the surface builder stuff here. Top material. Okay, let's open our test world, and let's see what would be interesting top materials here. So this is my test world here, where I have been creating my tests. Let's come here. The top material, it has red sand currently. What would be an interesting top material for a block on this biome? Could we add concrete? That'll be crazy to add some. Let's add light gray concrete powder. They will be very interesting. Light. Okay. Light gray concrete powder. Dry coral. Which one? It has to be one. Can I? I cannot add more. It has to be only one. Okay, let's do this. Light gray concrete powder is going to be the top material, and the under material is going to be this one, dead brain coral block. Dead brain coral block. Wow, what a large names. Dead brain coral block. I can make sky islands, and I'm going to make that next, I guess. For now, I'm playing with the basic stuff. But yes, Sky Islands is one of my goals to make. I want to make that. So, underwater material. The underwater material. There's not going to be oceans here, but... Hey, ASR! Hello! Welcome here. We're playing with custom dimensions. I'm trying to make a really crazy playing with the dimensions first to get a feel of this, and then make crazy stuff. Hello. Underwater material. Oh, this would be really crazy, but what if we add soul sand for underwater material? Imagine all the bubbles that are going to be everywhere. But there's not going to be water here, so maybe, yeah, there's not going to be water here. And the name is going to be Cyrus Batherlands. Okay, I'm hoping this is correct. I don't know why they include this name tag here, because the file is already named like the name you want. But yes. Yes, actually, Vanilla, the result of what I'm doing right now is going to be our data pack for the Hyacinth server. The end result. This is just this. This is just touching the surface to start getting the feel with now that the generation stuff is all completed and has all the formats and all what is going to be fixed. So yeah, I wonder if I can convert this to a color I can understand. I'm just creating a new file here just to check about the colors. How can I change this? I know. Let's see if there's something in the website I can understand. Okay. What? I want to do it the other way. Okay, let's try to get a sky color that looks like that, for example. No, I want an integer. I had a utility to do it. Okay. I want to do it the other way around. How can I get a tool for this? Okay, let's test this out. I want this color like I want it to see like a sandy color in the sky. E4 F2 94. Can I do it here? 228 242 and 148. Okay, so yeah, that's the color I want. Should be this one. I'm hoping I am doing it correct. There we go. So let's test it. Okay, let's try to test it. So I have the surface builder, I have the biome, I have the world gen stuff, and now let's go to the dimensions. Let's delete the current dimension. No, first I need to get. Okay, I'm not in there. All right. So let's just delete this. Yeah, I have to go here. Now let's go to the world we are testing, and let's see if I have any errors in the logs. I think I do have errors. The top material, okay. So it's reading this. I am typing the name incorrectly. Light gray concrete powder. Is the name correct? Dead brain coral block and soul sand. Input does not contain a key. Type. I think I have an error here, but I cannot see it. I think something has changed here. Okay, let's try to leave it as it was before. So it was like that, but I have to change this to our namespace and cancel this and see. Maybe I don't have the updated version. It could be. No, I don't think it's a bug. I think I have another file. Okay, let's quickly see. This may produce a sound, but I'm going to quickly research. Right? I'm going to try to mute this. There we go. Now this is not the correct one. Okay, I think I got the correct one right now. I'm downloading here. The file store gaming. Data packs. This is 1.16.2 pre-release. So I'm going to come here. And then here. So I'm going to check the latest examples. Here that have the world generation and the surface builder. We're going to compare. There we go. Yeah, I knew something was weird here. This is type. Now let's try to put it as we had it. And the it was here light gray concrete powder, and this was the brain coral block, and this was soul sand. I think that was it. So let's cancel this and let's load it again. Okay, there's something here. Oh, but okay, we have some more stuff that is not correct. Batherlands. So everything now is the same name, under material, underwater material. Okay, this should be fine now. In the data packs, here in the data, in the biomes, I am going to copy the new Badlands here. I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm going to check it out. Now this is not the correct. I'm going to copy the biome, the Badlands biome, because I have something wrong here. Right? Okay, so I'm going... Oh man. Okay, mood sound. It says here that I am missing the sky color. Effects, mood sound, tick delay. This one has more stuff. Okay, it's good that I have it. Block search, context, offset, sky color. There we go. So this change here, I'm going to set the sky color we created. Foliage color. This one is interesting. The foliage color is for the leaves, right? Let's put the foliage color like this, right? This is going to be interesting and annoying. So, oh my god, it's so red. It's so red. Too much red. Grass color. What would we like? Grass color. Let's make a grass color like this. 31, 185. Okay, this is going to be a little bit annoying, so I'm just going to put it like that. 31, 195, 249. Let's evaluate this. This is the color for the grass. Grass color like this. Fog color. We can change so much stuff now. Let's add a greenish fog color like this. 138, 215, and 39. Oh my gosh. Watercolor. Let's make water black. Let's make water black. That's 0. That's just plain 0. And water fog color, let's make it gray. I don't know, maybe like 20, 20, 20? No, grayer. Like this. And surface builder, Cyrus Batherlands. So let's see if this is correct, right? Configure surface builder, right? Okay, this is correct. The caverns are okay. I'm going to remove the water lakes, a monster room, dirt, gravel, or okay, all of this. It has some patches and stuff. Spiders, zombies. I doubled the creepers, bats, spawn calls, precipitation, temperature, downfall, category mesa. All right, so that's it. Let's put it to the test now. Let's see if this works. Oh no, okay. Oh yes, it doesn't work because I didn't make the change. So I'm going to close this, and let's go to the biomes. Let's remove the old one we created, and let's rename the new one like this. So this is how it's going to be. And now let's do it again. Okay. Error loading register data, unknown register key. Why doesn't it load it? Cyrus Batherlands. Type. I don't know which file is throwing this error. It should tell me which file is it. Let's Minecraft Badlands. Let's leave it like that. Minecraft Badlands. Let's check on this again. All right, so that works. That was the thing. Now let's see how is this going to work now. I know what I'm doing. Let's continue. Oh my god. There is water. And there's that brain. Okay, this is like a river type thing. Maybe because this is low. Everything that is under 63, it's water, but it doesn't add the soul sand. Oh, okay, that was weird. So when I go underwater, the fog color is this grayish thing, which is that. Oh yes, this is so cool. Okay, there's some sort of a bug thing here. So this is concrete, and it is not solidifying because it's not updated. If I do this, it should update. Interesting. Look at the sky. Yes, this is very cool, yes sir. This is exactly the type of things I want to be making. Look at the generation. So since this is a mesa, this is a badlands, it generates these structures here with the terracotta. Oh, we have mushroom growing because the light levels. I wonder if I can change these things. I think these are under this. Oh yeah, Jimbo. That could be that should be a good idea. Look at this. It's a concrete wall with black water. And that coral as a floor. Okay, that coral is the underblock, so that coral should be on here? Maybe under the terracotta? No. And we have gold because we are technically in Badlands. We can change that also. We have, okay, this, I don't think this is a water lake. This is just because the terrain is low. We have lava lakes, but we shouldn't have those annoying water lakes everywhere. For example, up here, there shouldn't be any water lakes here. I hope, because they always generate it, I don't know why. But this looks like another planet, like another, yeah, we're in another planet here. Bye, Jimbo. Thanks for stopping by. And we have the mine shafts in the mesa. And a bunch of creepers because creepers have been doubled. I'm just looking for some crazy generation stuff here. Look at this. Nice. Hello, Abler. Thanks for stopping by. We're playing with dimensions here. We're doing crazy stuff. We have black water. Look at this. I wonder what should I find here. An name tab. Yay. So let's pour. Ooh. And these cave spiders are just spawning everywhere because light levels, we said. Water in the bucket still looks blue, but if we pour it here, it looks black. Oh, and of course it makes the concrete, it solidifies the concrete. That looks so cool, so cool. Okay, let's check the other settings we have available. Oh man, that's some updating going on there. Let's start mixing biomes. We're going to start mixing stuff here. First, I would like villages on these biomes. Yeah, it sounds crazy, but let's see if we can put villages here. So I'm going to copy from the plains biome. Maybe from the savanna biome. Taigas and stuff. Let's copy some stuff from here. Surface builder has grass. Cave canyon features. Monster room. The gravel diorites on the side. Patch tall grass. I wonder if tall grass will generate in the concrete. I don't think so, right? Let's put the savanna trees here. Minecraft trees savanna. These are features, right? I wonder why we have this grouping here. Okay. Tree savanna. Okay. So we're going to add savanna trees here. Brown past pumpkin spring. Lava springs. Do I have this one here? I have. No, it doesn't. It doesn't grow the tall grass in Badlands, but I can put it there. The thing is, since we have no dirt, I don't know if we will update and create some cool weird stuff there. Freeze top layer. What is this? I would like to check that out. All right, so we have starts. In the starts, I'm going to add the village, the Savannah village. So here, let's add that, and let's add the pillager outpost also. If it is not, it is not. So let's add it. Hello, OVNI. It's going good. We are making crazy stuff like this. Check it out. Black water, concrete as a surface, and weird skies. So I'm going to go even crazier here. Yeah, I copied outposts. So we are adding also the normal mineshaft. I just realized something. The Badlands only have the Mesa mineshafts, but it doesn't have the normal mineshafts. That means you can't find mineshafts under below in the low levels. That's interesting because it is nice not to have mineshafts down there. Less space to light up. Stronghold and ruin portals. Do I have that? Yes, I do. Okay. So then we have the mobs, but there's stuff we don't have. Spawners, monsters, and creatures. So let's add chickens to our creature list. Here. So now we will have chickens. Oh, I hate this space stuff. There. No, Mesa mineshafts don't generate at low wise. They only generate on the Mesa tops, on the Mesa mountains. That's cool. Let's work to do. And we are going to add horses and donkeys. There we go. For the ambient, we have bats here. We don't have any water creatures. Okay, let's not add any water creatures. Spawn codes, categories, savannas. Okay, so far we have been adding trees, which are features. We have 3 savannas here. So in the configure feature, we're going to create a folder for the configure feature. Let's come here. And let's see the 3 savanna. Oh, okay. Let's copy these 3 savanna trees. Let's open it to Sim. Feature Minecraft Acacia. Default Minecraft Oak. Type Minecraft random selector. Okay. Decorator, we have it's a square, the height map, decorated, count extra. Okay, let's check this Minecraft Acacia, see what they are talking about with this. There we go. Okay, so let's do this, right? So these trees, we're going to make a Batherland trees, Batherlands, right? So the biome, instead of tree savanna, is going to have Cyrus trees Batherlands. It is that is the feature we're going to have here, and then we're going to add this acacia feature, and we are going to name it monster tree. I don't know, that's temporary because I don't know if it's going to be a monster tree. We're just going to change some blocks to the current one, right? So instead of this is a 2-layer feature size, the trunk providers, the axis, we're going to change the log of that tree, and the log we're going to set it to, let's pick something. Magma blocks. Magma blocks. Let's do that. Magma block. It'll be too annoying because you won't be able to have logs here. You have to pillage the mine shafts for that. And simple state provider, leaves provider, acacia leaves, something that could play as leaves but there are not leaves. Cobweb. Oh man, this is going to be so annoying. Cobweb. 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 There we go. I think that's it. Let's see. Let's log off. And we're going to come to the saves, to the dimensions. We're going to delete the dimension, and we're going to check the logs and open the world again. Okay, we have an error. Oh, okay. Because we didn't change here in the tree. Okay, let's close this. The trees Batherland. Let's come to the data packs. New dimension test, data packs, custom data, Xyros, configure feature, trees Batherlands. And the trees Batherlands, we have Minecraft Acacia here. We have to change this to Xyros Monster Tree, like this. And default, we also have to change this, I guess. Let's see what's in here. Okay, it's referencing this. Let's call it Monster Oak, like this. All right, let's see if that throws an error. Single player, let's load it. Not a JSON object. This is weird. Default monster oak and monster tree. Am I using the correct one? Maybe something. This is pre-release one. I am using the correct file. Silence monster tree. Surface noise settings, processor list. I'm going to search here, see if there's something different. It's a configure feature. Trees, savanna. It looks like that. Trees, savanna. Okay, let's revert. Just to see if it loads, because it is not loading, and I think I am doing the correct file naming. Let's see if it tries to load it. Cancel. I'm going to remove these ones. Configure feature. Let's see if that works, just to get it out of the way. Alright, that works. Now I am going to proceed. Maybe there's something else to do with the trees. And the world is being generated. I don't know if we need to have... Oh, there we go. Oh, there's a village. Oh, look at this. The foliage color and the grass color. All right, let's go full screen on this one. Yeah, we changed the grass color like this. So this is how the grass looks here. Looks interesting. And the leaves look so red. I would like to make the trees I was planning. Water is black. Whoa, oh, look at that. That looks like a really bad thing happened there. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. There we go. I'm going to continue playing with the features to make something crazier for the next one. Let's explore, see if there's something. Yeah, the thing is, since there's no grass naturally being generated or dirt, trees are not generated. So, oil spills, yes, that is going on. I'll try to make some patches of dirt. See if we got some trees. But every time a village is generated, it's going to generate trees with it. Let's try to find another one. I also want to try and change this mesa generation. Is that? No, that seems to be a village. Wow. Come on, villages. Maybe they are so rare because the terrain doesn't allow for many. But the terrain is plain enough. Look at this. Oh. And underwater looks so cool too. All gray and stuff. It looks like this is really toxic because all of this dead coral here. Oh, making good textures is something cool. When I work on mods, I struggle so much to make textures for the blocks and items I make. It's better when someone who makes cool textures helps with that. It's gonna go down. There we go. I don't see another village. I don't know why they are so rare. Maybe oh yeah, I didn't alter the frequency for the villages, but they should be already frequent enough. Nice. Take note of those ideas because we're going to use them. Well, seems like there's... Oh yeah, there's one. I was about to give... Oh look! And it generated in the weirdest place. There were so many suitable places for villagers back there, and it has to be done here. What is going on here? This is so weird. A farm in a weird pole thing here. And more oil spilling. And a house up here. Yeah, these guys are so weird. They make villagers in the weirdest places. Okay. Oh man. Okay. I want to do more things, but I don't have enough time right now. I gotta get going with other things, and yeah, I'll have to cut it off. But now that I know my streaming setup is working, I will be planning to do more stuff in the future, and this is going to be awesome. So yes, that's going to be all for today. I hope you learned something. You probably didn't, but we had a little bit of fun. Anyways. Thanks for stopping by, everyone, and I'll see you real soon. And hype the Ripple stream stream day is starting in a few hours. It's starting like at 8 p.m. my time. I'm going to miss so much of it because it's going to be overnight. I'll try to stay awake, but I don't guarantee that. Yeah, hype for the Ripple stream day. See you soon. And may you all be well, of course.